Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a walkthrough of IICS tool. IICS is nothing but Informatica tool which is built on cloud. Earlier we were using Informatica Power Center which was on-premise. Now they have come up with a cloud version of the same ETL tool. So the main advantage of this tool is all the services are available on internet over the web page. So based on the licensing you will see the different services. For now I'm using the trial version, so I'm able to see only these many services. So in a data integration project, the mainly used services are administrator, data integration, monitor. In some cases we also use application integration. So we'll go to administrator first. When we click on the administrator service, a web page will show up like this. Here you can see we have organization, where you can give your organization name, environment type, number of employees in the organization, your password rule, minimum length, maximum length, password reuse policy, expire policy. All these things you can give here. Then you can also create users here. You will click on the users, you will find only one user is present for now. We can also create user groups. We can club a number of users into a user group. The advantage of creating user group is just create one user group, assign as many users to that group, and you can also assign a policy or permission on that group which will be applicable to all the users inside that group. So you will not have to go and assign the permission or policy to each individual user. Instead of that, you can just assign the permission and policy to the group. You can also create user roles here, like admin role. Admin role will have a certain permissions and privileges. Developer role, designer role, monitor role, all these roles are there. Okay. So this is just the task of an admin in Informatica Power Center. They used to do everything on premise, now we can do in cloud. Runtime environment we have. Here we can create as many runtime environments as we want. You will click on the runtime environment and you will see what all services are up and running. So mostly used integration server service is there, data integration server. This is the most important service. It should be up and running. Mass ingestion, it will depend if you are using it, then it should be up and running. Process server, it should be up and running. Then you also see the connections page. Here you can create your connections. So last time we discussed we can create flat file connections, Oracle connections. Flat file connections we created for source path, for target path. Oracle connection, if you see, this is the connection which we created for the on-premise Oracle database. We have to give the connection name, description we can give, type we chose Oracle, created by runtime environment we have selected, Oracle subtype is on-premise, username we gave, password we gave, host we gave, then port and service name. Also we gave the code page. So all the mandatory options we have filled. And if you click on test connection,